I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is WPFunnel. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to WPFunnel Dashboard. Click on Edit. Now click on three dots in the top right corner. Then click on Webhook. Add webhook. Give a name. And paste here the webhook URL. Select Request Method. Select Request Format. Select Webhook Event. Then click on Save. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Tutor LMS for action. Here give the meaningful integration name as you want. Now click Connect for authorization. Authorization is successfully done. Click Next. Select the respective action as you want. Select the respective course as you want. There is no user map option, so you must submit the form from the user login. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data will be sent. Click Next. Now save the integrations. Now go to your course page. Here I have logged in the user. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Go to the course page and check. The course is successfully enrolled. Thanks for watching.